front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm after selecting allow. Alarm section is on the left at the top. Now to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour and click one of those options. Ring once, work days. You can click on the chosen one, adjust it and hit OK. Or custom. If you selected custom, to exclude days of the week, click on the blue ones. Then hit alarm name, label it, tap on ringtone, hit allow and tap on one of those system themes like weather, or click on this device. Tap on any song from your smartphone and go back. From your tablet. Then go back again, hit snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you want to switch off or on snooze, use this switcher next to it. Go back and to save your new alarm, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off completely, use blue switcher next to it and pick one of those options. You can switch it back on by hitting the same no gray one. To get rid of it, hold it, tap on delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!